What's up to the McDonald's family? Lee. So today we doing cooking with mom for breakfast. We making epic cinnamon bakery inspired. Just add water pancakes. Cinnamon pancakes. I'm out here. We making what's this called?
Dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Sausages.
Look at them ones over there.
Here, make sure y'all follow all of our socials. Period. Mom, what's your name on Instagram?
ULC_creations.
What's your name on Instagram?
Selfmade.Kanaya. Period. What's your name?
Come on, UNA._.
Period.
Yes, got it.
Okay, we're gonna put it up there.
They can't spell Kanaya. That cinnamon just gushing.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh, that's how we supposed to do. Look at it. They're cute. It's like a roast cinnamon bun.
This the icing. This is how it's supposed to look. So we're going to recreate that. Try to recreate it.
No, don't fall.
Like, I didn't do anything.
Yo, y'all should go watch.
Who are we running
Who
from?
was we? Who are we running from?
Who are we running from? On Netflix.
That's a very good show, movie, whatever y'all want. I'm gonna say show right
It's a show on Netflix. It's a mom and dad duo. Who go out, yank it. You come here with a box cutter.
Yeah, I think I might
She
start
was
talking
like,
to you
shh.
like that. I think I might start walking around with a box cutter.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
No, she don't.
We'll cut a box.
We got people.
Oh my
Somebody
God.
try-
Look at my
That's
baby.
actually smart. Instead of
my
buying all that
baby.
Mason stuff,
Look.
walk around with a box
But that
cutter.
actually look like a
I gotta fix y'all. But did y'all like our dance break? What? Did y'all like our dance break? What? Did y'all like it? Whoa, pop, 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 pop. Okay, she be doing the absolute most. Period. Period.
Period. What
You
you
did not have to
doing?
mess up the beat.
You ain't have to mess up the beat.
Excuse me.
Child. Anyways.
But yeah, we're gonna talk to y'all when we're making the other stuff. You know.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga shit. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga shit.
Period. They look good over there. And this, my sister me. What's up? Yo, we back. Yeah, we tried the food. It was
And it was
good.
good. Yep.
I rated it 8.9.
I ate an 8.5.
I rated it 8.
No, we
rated it 10 out of 10.
Must try again.
It was they were just a little sweet. Like my tooth was a little, it was hurting a little bit. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the videos, cause
Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment,
Them
subscribe, and
eggs
hit
are
that
popping.
notification bell so
Them
every
eggs.
everything that we put in the
10
video.
out of 10. Them sausages, 10 out of 10. The pancakes, 8.
8 out of
It's
10.
It's too sweet.
Too sweet.
Y'all could get it though if y'all want.
Yeah, we gotta try the
If y'all like
smallest.
sweet stuff, get it. If not,
Y'all see the smallest? Yeah.
Bye.